How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my home, mi casa es tu casa. I thought I'd come in here and show you the hat that I posted on Instagram. And if you guys follow me there, you will see that I posted a picture of how it looks. But I thought I'd come in here and I told you what I used to make this, because I didn't have a chance, of course, to do the DIY in front of you guys. So this hat, I think it was $2.97 if I'm not mistaken, and it's the one Create Out Loud baseball hat from Horizon Group USA, it says. So this one I got that at Walmart, and I think it was $2.97, $2.47, something like that. Then the markers, I'll put it right here. The markers that I used was these markers right here, and they are from the brand Tulip. Let me just put them back in here so I won't lose them. So they are from the brand Tulip, and they are the black fabric markers, and this is a permanent two-piece. Now the big one is supposed to be the brush one. It's the work best on light color surface, and then this is the small one, which is the fine one. It says no heat setting required. So I'm just gonna open them and then I'm gonna put them back. This one has a wider point, and that's what I use to to color in the inside. I did darker and lighter on the top, and this is the one that I used to trace over the stencil or inside of the stencil. Now, like I said, these were $1.97 for the pack of 2, so that's not bad. And again, it's the Tulip brand, and it has 2-piece on it, so it's like getting them for $1. Now for the rhinestones that I created here, all I used was what we all get at not Dollar Tree, I'm sorry. I mean, you could get it at Dollar Tree if you find them, but I bought them at Walmart because Dollar Tree didn't have none. So this is the easily cut size, ribbon, and I believe it was $2.97. So all I did was took a piece of ribbon, and then what I did is I cut a square, and then I did it in a diamond shape type of way, like it looks right here, and then I did a ribbon in the bottom. And the stencils that I use are these right here. It's called Play Color by Me. It's a 48 piece reusable adhesive stencils. Now they say adhesives, but I didn't peel them off because I want to keep using them. So what I did is I used the one that has the A, the @ sign for At Home with Janet, since I was trying to create the initials. So @HWJ, and that's all I did, guys. And it brings a bunch of these. It has your ABCs. Then it has your numbers 1 through 9. It has a question, a percentage, a hashtag, and it has a couple of more things, and it also has a couple of designs in the bottom that you can use. So not bad. And what I like about this package of a stencil is that it gives you the capital letter and the small letter. So that was good, and it's a 48 piece, like I said, and I think it was like 3 something. But yeah, guys, this is how it came out. Now, definitely, I think I'm going to recreate it again, and if I do, I will definitely do a DIY video showing you how I do it, because I'm probably going to do it differently. I probably will use a Sharpie or fabric paint instead. I'm going to see how that goes, and I want to do it in the red colors because guys, I love red and black. So I'm planning to do like red on the top and black in the bottom, and then bling out the @ sign, and maybe not put these 2 rhinestones here and just do the dot right here with the line. I don't know, I'm working on it. Please bear with me. This is something I want to have for my channel and put it on when I come in the channel as a logo for my channel. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I know a lot of you like it on Instagram, so if you like it and you would like to see this video, me doing it all over again in front of you guys, Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment below. And I see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys. Love you.